Sounds like you said chicken. Did you say that?
Okay.
Hello. You like being out at night? Are you a night owl? Or a parrot? Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, chicken.
The chicken.
How you doing?
He said hi.
How you doing? Open. Chicken. What are you doing?
How you doing?
It's okay.
You're a pretty bird.
Yeah, that's true. Hi, chicken.
That's right. He's got the hand signals too. You're a smart bird.
Hi.
Hi.
That's a woman's voice.
A woman's voice.
Yeah, maybe we'll get some pussy tonight. Chicken. Can you laugh tonight?
Do you laugh?
Oh, he laughs. He hears it. Come here, shoot that. That was pretty cool. 16 years old. You can have
16. Whoa. You're a pretty bird. So they live to 50 or something? 90.
Longest living bird in the world. Just say a black pearl.
You're going to live to 90?
That's right.
Oh boy.
Longest living bird in the world. Guinness Book of World Records. Okay, you want a picture?
Pretty bird. It's a pretty bird. You're going to live longer than me.
Is he laughing?
Ha
Yeah.
ha 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 ha.
Go like this.
Yes, yes. Thanks for saying hi. Thanks for saying hi.
Kiss him right there. Come on, let go, shithead.
Let go.
Come on. Up. Let go. Let go.
What an honor to visit with him.
It's all good. See you later. You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Yeah, yeah. Bye-bye.
Hi.
Bye. Bye.
Hi, chicken.
Bye-bye.
Hi, chicken.